like this, I rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? Because I walk like I've got gold oil wells pumping in my living room. Just like moons and like suns with the certainty of time. Just like hope's springtime, still I'll rise. Did you want to see me broken, bowed head and lowered eyes? Shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my self-pride. Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it all far, because I laugh like I've got old gold mines digging in my own backyard. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I'll rise. Does my sexiness upset you? Does it come as a surprise that I dance like I've got diamonds at the beams of my thighs? Out of the huts of history's shade, I rise. Up from a past that's rooted in pain, I rise. I'm a black ocean, deepening and wide, welling and swelling, I bear the tide. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise. Into a daybreak that's wonderfully clear, I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise.